guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree and I am the owner of Calafia Candle Company. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a comparison between these two silicone molds right here. So if you're not new to my channel, you know that I currently use and love the 3-inch tulip mold from Modern Craft Labs. This is the 3-inch tall version. But I have been hearing quite a bit of buzz about this product right here from Shapemakery. This is their 8-ounce tulip vessel mold. So I went ahead and ordered it and figured we can do a little side-by-side comparison. So I'll go over the differences and similarities between the two. And I actually did pour a concrete jar earlier today using the Shapemakery mold. So I'll insert that footage into this video and show you how it came out at the end. So if you're interested, just keep on watching and I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, they are not exactly the same as far as size goes. The Modern Craft Labs one is slightly taller and narrower than the Shapemakery. Another noticeable difference to me was the top of the mold, which is actually the bottom of your vessel. The Modern Craft Labs mold has more of an edge all around, and the Shapemakery one is more rounded. And then the last difference I noticed is the thinness of the walls on the Shapemakery one. It definitely feels thinner to me than the Modern Craft Labs one. So that's definitely a difference. But besides that, they are pretty close. So I think they both are really great options as far as a high quality mold. They are an investment. They both cost $39.95 US, which I know sounds like a lot of money, but something like this is going to last you a long time because it's actually made for concrete and it's made out of a really durable silicone. I started out with the Amazon mold and I do think it's a great beginner friendly option for you to just get your feet wet and see if this is something you even want to do. But it's definitely something that's not going to last you a long time. It starts to lose its shape over time because it's actually made for resin and not made for concrete. So if this is something you're thinking about doing long term, I would definitely recommend investing in a higher quality mold, such as either one of these. So that is about it. Oh, also, the Modern Craft Labs mold comes with that plastic outer shell. I get asked about this a lot. So this actually just comes with the mold when you purchase it, and this will help ensure that it stays round. So I do really like that that comes with that one. But again, these are both really great options. So I'll go ahead and insert the footage now of me pouring the concrete into the mold, and you will see another mold in that video, and that's actually this mold right here, which I did order from Shapemakery as well. This is their 4-inch tray mold, and I've used it a couple times now and I really love it. It's perfect as a little trinket dish, or you can even use it as a coaster or to set a candle down on the tray. So I'll go ahead and insert that footage now and then I'll show you how everything turned out. here's the Shapemakery vessel, and I do love how this turned out. I think the mold is really, really great quality, and it's another great option to use. The only thing I have to say is, I don't know if you noticed in the video, but I was struggling unmolding it. I feel like with the Modern Craft Labs mold, because it has that edge on the top of the mold, it's easier to kind of roll it down on itself. But with the Shapemakery one, because it was more rounded, it wasn't really wanting to stay rolled down as easily, and I had to give it a couple tries to actually get it completely rolled over. It could just be because it's new to me and I'm used to the Modern Craft Labs mold. But besides that, I do really recommend this mold as well. So here it is compared to the Modern Craft Labs vessel. And as you can see, it is shorter and wider. But again, another great option for concrete vessels. And then here's the tray. So I'm loving how these have been turning out. Again, you can use these for little trinkets, or you can actually set your candle down on it. Or I actually just gave some to my mom and she's been using them as coasters. So a lot of different uses for something like this. But that is the end of the video. I hope you guys found it helpful. And if you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.